Hey y'all, and welcome to the next module in practical packet analysis, where we'll be focused exclusively on network layer protocols. You may remember from early on, we talked a little bit about network layer protocols. Specifically, we talked a lot about IPv4. We're going to talk about that and a couple of others here. But remember that the network layer is the third layer in reference from the bottom. So we have physical, data link, and then network. And the network layer has a few responsibilities, but is really probably the biggest workhorse of the entire stack because it's what really allows us to transmit packets across networks. So it's incredibly important. So we're going to spend a little time on it here, focusing on a few different protocols. Now, if you'll remember, we're going to take the same approach throughout these protocol sections when we talk about how these protocols work. We're going to talk about the features it provides. We're also going to examine the structure. We're going to look at the packet map, pull out specific fields, and then examine those. From there, we're going to look at stimulus and response, both normal and abnormal. So we'll focus in on specific features and then focus in on specific normal and abnormal response related to all of those different features. Now, in this section, we're going to focus in on three protocols specifically. First and foremost, we're going to talk about IPv4, the most common network layer protocol in use in the world. So we're going to spend quite a bit of time there. Then we'll talk about IPv6. We'll talk a little bit about why IPv6 was necessary in the first place, and then we'll talk about it in relation to IPv4. So we'll kind of talk about how it's different and why some things changed. For the most part, it provides a lot of the same functionality, but there are some differences that are key and important to note, and we'll kind of go through those with some examples. Finally, we'll go through the ICMP protocol, which is used a little bit in conjunction with both IPv4 and IPv6, so we'll kind of be alluding to it throughout, but then we'll devote a section to it towards the end so we can understand the role and purpose of ICMP. So with that said, let's dig in.